What we have here is the handy dandy multi-tool. It comes in a very convenient pouch with a hoop on here so you can hook it onto your belt. Let's open it up and see what we got. Good heavens, look at this. Just all kinds of neat things happening here. Well, we can see it's a nice little hammer, and it's locked into place so you can drive in little nails or something like that. It also has a little nail remover on this end. And when you put it up to the unlock, it turns into a nice pair of pliers. And it looks like you have three different plier applications here, with a flat area here to grip and a round area to maybe grab a bolt head or something with, and a pair of side cutters that you can cut wire or small twigs, I suppose. Maybe you can even use this as a wire stripper if you needed to open up a wire and bear the wires on the inside of something like that. Lock it down and it's completely secure. Now on this end, in the handle, open it up, and it looks like we have a pretty nice little saw blade. You can cut small sticks or something you were going to be making a campfire with. That looks pretty handy. And it also has a safety feature here, so when it's opened up, it's not, and you can really get in there and do something with it. You're not in danger of this closing, snapping shut and cutting your hand open. So you can press that in to then close it up. The next blade, it looks like a pretty sharp razor edge straight knife. Looks pretty handy. Everybody needs one of those if they're out in the wilderness, or maybe just running around your house and needing something to cut with. What else we have in here? Oh, this is a nice one. There we got a nice file on this side and a serrated blade on that side. You can cut a loaf of bread with that, I'll bet. And a flat edge screwdriver on the end. And another one in here, if I can get it open. Yep, there's it is. It's like we have a Phillips head screwdriver here with a bottle opener. Now I bet you could probably also use that as a leather punch or something. That looks like it's a good sturdy hard thing to you can be able to, let's see if it'll punch a hole. Yep, punches holes. Look at there. So you got all kinds of things going on here. A pretty handy thing. Let's see how many of these tools that we have here. We have a straight edge, there's one. Bottle opener 2, Phillips head 3, punch 4. There's a saw blade is 5. File is 6, serrated edge is 7. Straight edge screwdriver is 8. Hammer is 9. Nail remover 10. One plier is 11. Another plier is 12. And the third wire stripper is 13. 13 uses in one handy tool, all in one spot. You don't need to have that junk drawer full of all kinds of things. You got it all right here at the convenience. Right here in the convenience of this small little package, and it fits right in this handy dandy little package that you can put on your belt and take camping or do whatever you need to do. Isn't that something else?